It's time for a pro trading tip because we're getting pretty good at trading in the stock market. You and I, we're making money together just about every day. So 2 things I want to instill upon you before you decide to take a trade. Number 1, are you betting against what's been going on with that stock? What do I mean? Well, if the stock's been doing nothing but go up, make sure that you really want to bet it'll go down. Likewise, if the stock's been doing nothing but go down for months or years, think twice about whether you really want to bet against that trend. Second pro tip, why would you ever bet against what's going on in the world or the stock market today? So if you want to bet against a stock and short it, it's tough to do when everything else in the stock market is going up today. Think twice about what the stock market's doing, and why not wait and only buy stocks that you like on days where the whole stock market is going up. Likewise, if the whole stock market is going down, that might not be the day to buy the stock that you like. Instead, wait or find other stocks to short. Just my pro tips, my observations. I love winning with you. Remember, we do it all for you. You can just copy my trades at copyandwin.com. I'll be back.